Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for coming out today. Lovely, lovely weather. I'm really impressed with the turnout. This is awesome. All right, this is our, for those of you who are counting, this is our second annual recycled raft race. So we're excited about that. If your cardboard boat really gets soaked, which is probably inevitable today, no matter what you do, there are bins in the back. I want you to be careful when you go around the corners. We've had some people skid out in the past. It's awful to watch those boats just go skidding across water and people flying out of the boat because of the speed that you're going. So,
The Rock making the best of a bad situation. Quickly gaining on the Sea Daddy.
I fall like a whole mouthful of water. You hit me in the face with the paddle and what? Well, we try to be descriptive in our names, so hey, we stunk like a rocket. It happens. We were off to a good start, but I think the pirates might have sabotaged our boat. It's a rough crowd around here.
Great. Last year we sunk, but this year we're doing fine. So, and we hope we can survive the second heat. So.